Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set custom ringtones on your Google Pixel 6. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to access your device settings. Look for the gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it to open up your settings menu. This is where all your device configurations and customization options live. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and look for the option labeled Sound and Vibration. This is your hub for all audio-related settings on your Pixel 6, including ringtones, notification sounds, and volume controls. Go ahead and tap on it to continue. Inside the sound and vibration menu, you'll see several options related to audio on your device. What you're looking for here is the ringtone option. Tap on it, and this will open up the list of available ringtones that you can set for incoming calls. By default, you'll see Google's pre-installed ringtones, but we're going to change that. Now, instead of selecting one of the default ringtones, look for an option at the top or bottom of the list that says My Sounds. This is the section where your custom audio files are stored, so tap on it to access your personal ringtone collection. Once you're in the My Sounds section, you'll notice a plus icon somewhere on the screen. This button allows you to add new audio files from your device storage to use as ringtones. Tap the plus icon to browse through your files and locate the custom ringtone you want to use. A file browser will appear showing you the audio files stored on your Pixel 6. Navigate through your folders and locate the custom ringtone file you want to set. Once you've found it, tap on the file to select it. This tells your device that this is the audio file you want to use as your new ringtone. After selecting your custom ringtone, you'll see a small radio button appear next to it. Tap this radio button to confirm your selection. This ensures that the system knows exactly which sound file you want to designate as your ringtone. Finally, to apply your changes, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a Save button there. Tap it to lock in your custom ringtone choice. Your Pixel 6 will now use this custom sound whenever you receive a phone call. And that's it! You've successfully set a custom ringtone on your Google Pixel 6, giving your device a more personalized touch. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.